So in April of 2020, I was feeling really discombobulated and also really helpless as everyone was kind of suffering in the ways that we were. And so I put together an ebook, and it was a short, you know, bit of my just kind of compiling the various self-care tips that I had kind of amassed over the years and been using and putting them into one space. And so I published the book almost 5 years ago. And what I'm wanting to do for the next few weeks is to focus on self care. And I will be doing so by doing a reading of the book. And so I'd like to invite you to read along. There are copies available on the website, and also join us on YouTube for the reading.